I had weight issues and ended up gaining a lot of weight during COVID, and then ended up having a knee replacement, but I knew I had to get the weight off. Since my knee surgery, I've lost over 100 pounds. Just being with True 180, probably have hit 60. I have lost at least 10% of my body fat. I've done things I could never do before. I feel a little bit more relaxed as I don't stress about anything anymore. But overall, I think the benefit is just general health. Fun. It's challenging. There's a good camaraderie of women, and we're all there for the same reason. It's just a place to feel that support that a lot of women don't get.